Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
I'm in love with Makita's compact router. It is such an awesome tool to have. It is easy to change any router bit to fit it. It has adjustable speeds, which also allows any router bits to fit into it. It also allows you to change the depth. All the projects that we have been able to do around the house has just a wonderful finish look because we can customize it to our design. I don't feel a lot of vibration as I use it, so it's comfortable in my hands. If you work in finished carpentry and you are looking for a router, this is the one that I would choose. It fits with all my other Makita tools because the batteries are interchangeable. It is a quality product that I would definitely recommend, and you will love it.
And that's my point of view.